Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to remove bad smell from the refrigerator. Anyone can face this problem. An unpleasant smell can appear due to spoiled products, food that is not tightly closed, spilled dishes or drinks. Therefore, in this video I want to offer several options for solving this problem. So, if you feel an unpleasant smell from the fridge, you should immediately check whether everything is tightly closed and whether there are any spoiled products in the refrigerator. Then it is advisable to clean the fridge. Take out all the products and remove the shelves. If the location of the shelves in the refrigerator is important to you, then take a photo before you take them out. Now you need to make a cleaning product that will help clean the refrigerator and neutralize the unpleasant odor. To do this, take a spray bottle, pour 100 ml of water into it, and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Give your refrigerator a good cleaning with this cleaner, then wipe it with a damp cloth and wipe dry. It is also advisable to clean the shelves. You can use dish soap for this. If there are dried or sticky stains, wet them with water, sprinkle with baking soda, leave for 5 minutes and then clean. By the way, it is most convenient to clean the shelves in the bathtub. Dry everything thoroughly, put the shelves back in place and return the food to the fridge. You can also put an odor absorber in the refrigerator, which will absorb all the unpleasant odors. You can buy them in the store or you can make them yourself. One option is baking soda. Pour some into a small container and put it in the refrigerator. Coffee can also be used as an absorber of unpleasant odors. Please note that you should use brewed coffee. Pour some onto a plate and put it in the refrigerator. Crushed activated carbon will also help remove odors from the fridge, as it also absorbs unpleasant odors. Take 3 tablets and crush them. I always crush the tablets with 2 spoons. I had a smelly fridge once. It was almost clean inside, but I cleaned it anyway because plastic absorbs odors. And if baking soda, charcoal and the like don't help, then you definitely need to clean the fridge inside. Then I put a plate of baking soda in the fridge and poured vinegar into a cup. The miracle didn't happen right away, but after about 3 weeks, the smell completely disappeared. I hope you can also get rid of bad smells in your fridge. Try these methods and share yours in the comments. If you liked the tips, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.